I want to talk about arithmetic operators. When we were growing up, everybody realizes the plus sign is for addition, the minus sign is for subtraction, but the x was the multiplication operator. The computer, however, uses a star for multiplication. It uses a forward slash for division, and it uses a percent, not an ampersand, but a percent for mod or modulus. I'll talk about modulus in just a second. Okay, we have to be careful of something that exists when we work with computer programming, something called integer division. If we have x and y are both ints and we have z, which is a double, and then we assign x a 7, that 7 is a numeric literal. It's an integer. If we assign y a 4, that 4 is a numeric literal and it is an integer. Now if we assign z the result of x being divided by y, we have one int being divided by another int, and this results in something called integer division. Now we all know the answer should be 1.75, but that's not what happens. The 75 is truncated and 1 is stored in z, so z becomes 1. Now granted, z will store 1 as a 1.0 because z does hold a double, but 1.0 isn't the correct answer. It should be 1.75. And this is integer division, and we need to know it takes place. There are workarounds with this. We can deal with this. We just have to understand that it does happen. While I have you here, I want to talk about the modulus operator. Mod is really the whole number remainder. If you take 4 and divide it by 3, when we were little, we would have 1 with the remainder 1. Well, when we take 4 and we mod 3, we're looking for the remainder, the whole number remainder. It's 1. 5 mod 3 is 2. It's 1 with the remainder 2, so 5 mod 3 is 2. 6 mod 3 is 0, doesn't have any remainder. 7 mod 3 is 1, 8 mod 3 is 2, 9 mod 3 is 0. Anything mod 3 is either going to be 0, 1, or 2. Let's do the other thing. Let's take 1. 1 mod 3 is 1, 2 mod 3 is 2, and 3 mod 3 is 0. So anything mod 3 is going to be 0, 1, or 2. Anything mod 4 is going to be 0, 1, 2, or 3. Anything mod 5 is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. A practical application of mod would be this. I'm 75 inches tall. If I take 75 and I divide by 12, I get 6 feet. If I take 75 and I mod 12, I get 3 inches. 75 inches tall becomes 6 feet 3 inches.